I get it. Nothing really lasts forever. And just like every other trip I've had, our Bali adventure is coming to an end. To prepare ourselves before leaving, we decided to spend our last 3 days in Canggu, a place where the waves, the busy streets, the small shops, at ang vibrant nightlife na magpapaalala sa atin that life keeps moving, even as one chapter closes. Kaya naman, here we are, maximizing every second left of our trip. Pero mukhang hanggang sa huling araw namin sa Bali, the one thing I was trying so hard to avoid was bound to happen. Looking back, while editing this vlog, na-realize ko how truly blessed I am. Hats off to myself for pulling off this trip despite all the challenges we faced along the way. Super thankful din ako sa mga kasama ko na sinamahan ako rito sa Bali for 11 glorious days. At kung kilala mo ako, alam mong hindi pa rito natatapos ang lahat. Yes, we've explored a huge part of Bali, from the cultural experience and stunning views of Uluwatu to the breathtaking paradise of Nusa Penida, hanggang sa jam-packed activities namin sa Ubud. And now, as the final stretch of our Bali adventure, samahan niyo naman ako sa busy touristy streets of Canggu. Tara, let's go!
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm
Hello
out.
mga lakwacheros and mga laagans, we're now at our last, this is na talaga super last na talaga to na accommodation namin. We are finally at Canggu, Bali, Indonesia, and this is our last accommodation. This is Cepeda Hotel dito sa Canggu, Bali, Indonesia, and kakarating lang nga namin noon. Dito pa ang luggage namin. We just checked in, and this costs for 3 nights. It's per person is 581,000 IDR, and that's roughly nasa 684 pesos per person per night. So at least sa halagang 684, meron na siyang free breakfast, and we have a lot of mga free amenities dito. Meron kaming itong free wifi, free pool, and then may pa-free yoga, although nasa ibang mga araw lang siya yung free yoga. But tonight, we're lucky because it's Saturday, and for tonight, we have, tada! Look at that, guys! Our social events for tonight is the sunset yoga at 5:30, pero may bayad siya na 130k IDR. But on weekdays, meron silang pa-free yoga, pero this one daw is different because they're doing this later at sunset. Tapos may pa-free din sila na karaoke night and trivia night mamayang 8 o'clock. Yes. So mayroon din silang cafe, may bar din sila. So masaya. Tingnan nyo yung aming room later. Let's go to our room. And I noticed pala yung rooms nila dito, no, nakapangalan siya sa mga different destinations here in Bali, like the Batu Bolong, we have Berawa, then we have the Echo Beach. Our room is on the last, Uluwatu. We have the Bingin, Green Ball, and di ko alam kung bakit ito sa amin ay nandito kami sa Dreamland. Yes, so let's go and check in dito sa check natin, no? Here is our room. It's actually a bunk bed. So nag-set na sila for dito. Dahan-dahan lang tayo sa pagsasalita. ASMR. Kasi may mga iba tayong kasamang foreigner dito. So, bawal maingay. Andito ang isang foreigner. Meron kaming cabinet sa baba. Tapos, meron pang cabinet dito. Tapos, ang maganda, may cabinet pa. Tapos, maganda ang stairs. Paakyat. Doon sa taas yung video. Akyat ka video. Sundan mo. Sundan mo. Sundan mo. Ay, lubot man. Basa. So, let's see what adventure awaits here in our last 3 days. Bali, Indonesia. Bye!
Matapos naming magsettle sa aming accommodation, di na kami nag-aksaya ng oras at agad nag-book ng individual Gojek ride papuntang Batu Bolong. So guys, we're now heading to Batu Bolong, Canggu, to chase for sunset. And at the same time, take our dinner there. Kami ay hindi marunong mag-motor. Kaya aasa kami sa Gojek. Diba? And to get to Batu Bolong, to our destination from our accommodation, it only cost 16,500 rupiah. So medyo mahal daw ang Grab compared sa Gojek. So if I were you, choose Gojek.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. And when the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side.
Di nagtagal, nakahanap naman kami ng buffet style na warung dito sa Canggu.
Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Spend all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride, haven't seen you smile since the
had a quick massage, at finally, went back to our accommodation kung saan may naghihintay sa aming karaoke night. At pagbalik sa aming accommodation,
Sabi ko, magpa-party ba kami doon?
Sabi niya, kinasal.
Kasi super formal niya. Parang lokal dito. Tapos siya, so ano ba yung parang teacher? Tapos may estudyanteng kasama. Yan yung nasa isip ko kaya ayaw ko talaga. Gusto ko buhay siya.
Nasa
May party
Fitz
ba sa
Bar.
taas?
Kami busy kami nagpa-massage.
Sila sa
Ang saya-saya ng massage namin. Kilala pa naman tayong mga Pinoy sa kagandahan ng boses. Pero wala po ni isa sa amin may magandang boses. Ah, magandang boses mo, sir?
Ano to? And boy, walang tapis in the night.
They have karaoke upstairs. You guys want to join?
Yan ang favorite song niya.
Sabi ko, I'll ask my friend first.
at dahil shy type kami, malamang alam nyo na ang mga sumunod na nangyari.
Look in your eyes and I got confidence. Sling back my t-shirt and I got a good girl baby and a tight little skirt and when we go ash.
At bago pa matanggal ang monetization ko, let's move on to our first full day in Canggu.
Isay? 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 Happy Mother's Day! So, saan tayo?
Dito sa pool.
Sa pool lang tayo. Mag-celebrate tayo Mother's Day. Wala tayo sa Fins.
Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are.
Maaga kaming umalis para bumalik sa Bato Bolong to go on surfing. Char. Actually, mukhang di kinaya ng energy ng mga tito sa titas kaya here we are, enjoying the view while sipping our coffee. Ang totoo niyan, nakakapanibago ang ganitong tanawin. Kahit saan ako lumingon, di maipagkakaila na napapaligiran ako ng mga taong may kumpiyansa sa sarili. Iba't ibang tao na tila ba walang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba. At the same time, pakiramdam ko, dito pwede akong mabuhay ng walang pag-aalinlangan, walang panghuhusga. I can be myself or whoever I wanna be. Pero deep inside, I also wonder, sino kaya sa kanila ang tulad ko? A fish out of the water, drowning, yet paddling. Tahimik na lumalangoy sa gitna ng ingay. Patuloy na lumalaban sa hampas ng mga alon. Kahit na minsan, kinakapos ng lakas.
Chasing a light, holding on tight, living the moment. I'm gonna grow, I'm gonna glow, I know it. I got no fear, runway's clear, ready to take off, ready to take off. Someday, I know I'm looking in the right way. Oh, one day, keep praying, I keep praying. Open the gate, never too late, no hiding. Wings open wide, trust in my God, ready to take off, ready to take off. Someday I know I'm moving in the right way. Oh, one day I keep praying, I keep praying.
Matapos naming mag-surfing in our dreams, agad kaming tumungo sa isang sikat na Sunday market dito sa Canggu, ang La Brisa.
Take your time, fall in line someday. It's hard to win, hard to pin one day. I look out for you to soothe away the blues in your eyes. Take a stand, move your hand someday. In your eyes, no disguise. One day, I look out for you to soothe away the blues in your eyes. In your eyes.
Di nagtagal, bumalik kami sa Cafe Varuna to take our lunch.
Magkano nagastos mo, Par?
55,000 with Sprite.
Oh,
Perfect.
kasi yung food mo.
Yeah.
Di ba? Mura na siya. Ikaw?
65
Gutom na daw.
65,000?
with Coke, yeah?
This is 50K with the Coke.
Spent 65,000 with a Coke.
Wow, amazing.
So, marami na. Pero mas marami sa kanya.
Grabe, sa kanya talagang pinakamaraming variety.
Parang
7 yan lahat na type of food.
Tila ito na ata ang naging comfort food namin dito sa Canggu. Bukod sa masarap na, swak pa sa budget para sa tulad naming kumakapit sa natitira naming pera. Kaya nga kahit na may ilang mga kainang tila tinatawag ang aming atensyon, ay pinili naming magpigil. Pagbalik sa accommodation, kapansin-pansin naman ang malungkot na si Fidio na tila ba di sinali sa laro. Habang pinagmamasdan siya, naisip ko, bakit naman kasi siya ang naging representative ng Pilipinas? Kinagabihan, kami nakinood sa free movie activity ng Cepeda at nakipagtsikahan bago tuluyang matulog. Kinabukasan, naisipan naming pumunta sa Kretya as our last destination in this entire trip bago kami bumalik sa Pilipinas. This time, di na namin kasama si Fidio na nakipagkita sa kanyang kaibigan para samahan siya sa kanilang Manta Ray experience sa Nusa Penida. At syempre, para di kami maipit sa matinding traffic, gumising kami ng maaga at sumakay ng Gojek ride papuntang Ubud. Alright mga Lokochers, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Kretya, Ubud, and it is our last day here in Bali, official last day, so might as well have a chill day dito sa Kretya. To get here, we actually took a Gojek car, which was 260,000 IDR. So dahil apat kami magkasama, that's 65,000 IDR each or 217 pesos each. Alright, ngayon, papasok na kami sa Kretya. Actually, wala kaming reservation papasok dito. And alam mo ba na ang entrance natin, which is inclusive of the pool access,
200 ba? 250?
no, it's just 150,000 IDR.
Calls to 24 pesos lang man yun sa ano niya, IG niya.
150 lang daw sa ipan niya. Tapos may kasama, kung gusto natin ng towel, 75,000 IDR. So, tara, pasok tayo.
Okay.
I hope we don't fail to see the beauty of being free.
Don't forget what you love the most. I just wanna keep you close. So we have to give it one more try before the idiots are taking over. They're caught up in the race of wanting more, and we can tell one from the other. No one can tell you what they're running from. No one knows anymore. What's it for? What's it for?
Let's face it, di rin naman kami makakapagbali every day of our lives. Kaya while we were there, we made sure that every second mattered, even if it means splurging a bit, especially with this kind of view. Nabalot ng makulimlim na langit at panakanakang ulan ang mga naunang araw namin sa Ubod. Pero hindi ngayon. Hindi sa huling araw namin sa Bali. Dahil sa pagkakataong ito, nasilayan namin ang ganda ng Kretya at ng Tegalalang rice terraces na may kasamang sinag ng araw. Maswerte rin kami at narating namin ang Kretyan ng napakaaga. Mas konti ang tao, mas malaya kaming nakakagalaw, at di hamak na mas maayos at mas maganda itong tingnan. I'm so glad nagdesisyon kaming pumunta rito on our last day. It's so much better to see the lush green rice terraces when the sun is out. At siguro nga, ang ganitong view ang pinakamagandang paraan para magbaon ng mga huling alaala sa isla ng Bali. And just when I thought our shenanigans in Bali were winding down, saka naman dumating ang isang bagay na pilit kong iniiwasan. Halos mahigit 15 minutes rin akong nakababad sa malamig na pool para makakuha ng magandang pictures, videos at drone shots. Sa kagustuhang ma-maximize ang natitirang oras ko sa Bali, tila kinalimutan ang allergy ko sa lamig. Di nagtagal, dali-dali akong umakyat sa aming table para makainom ng antihistamine. Nandilim ang paningin, nakaramdam ng bigat sa katawan, pagkahilo, and the next thing I heard were faint sounds. Of course, I obviously lived, but it served as a powerful reminder that our days in this world are numbered. And so were our days in Bali. Despite the misfortunes, the unexpected turns, and that final day allergy attack, our time on this island was nothing short of remarkable. It's a trip worth remembering. Sa huli, masasabi kong nagtagumpay kami holistically. And it's experiences like this that make me feel more alive than ever.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like it's the scene of a crime.
Elite level ang marunong na to guys. At na-welcome ko. Hindi ko makalabas.
The only guilty I find staring back at me in when things go wrong, we'll pass the blame around. 'Cause I can't lie awake for someone else to say I can live my why do I keep asking for permission? When I can't lie awake for someone else to say I can live my
Terima kasih, Bali, Indonesia. Masaya akong nakilala ka.